the instructor at Races, Dance, Flip, and Twist. And these kids have worked very, very hard all year just for this performance. And I'd like to thank you, parents, first of all, for allowing us the pleasure of teaching your kids and trusting us with your kids every week. I think I have to say this is the best bunch of kids that I've had since the beginning. And we want to thank you for coming to the performance today. They're backstage and they're ready and everybody's excited. And I want to thank everybody who participated in making the show a big success. I wish I had time to go down the list and thank everybody personally, but we have so much good help that it's just unbelievable. When I asked for people to help, everybody jumped right up and was willing. So I'm pretty excited about it too, as you can tell. After scene 1 and scene 2, we'll have a 15-minute intermission, and the water fountains and the bathrooms, when you go out this door, are this way. So if you need to go to the restroom, head that way. And if you still want to buy a t-shirt, just contact Lovett at Wheelersburg. They make the shirts, and they'll be glad to make up one for you if you want. The green shirts that's all running around here was our studio shirts. And if there's a problem with the names on the back, they'll fix that for you too. I think a couple names were left off. One person had his name spelled wrong, and so they want to be sure to correct those for you. Okay, I think that's everything. So we got to get started. I think we're ready, so everybody just sit back and enjoy the show.
We could have got a front sheet.
You can't see me. I don't like having it in here.